Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Jyotsna Meena and today I am going to explain you the business study of class 12th chapter 2 principles of management, and the topic of today is similarities in Taylor's and Fayol's principles. This is given in the detail in your PDF too, and this is the video number 11 of this chapter. So first of all, as you know that we already explained you about the principles of Henry Fayol and the principles of F.W. Taylor, which are also called the principles of scientific management. The both of the principles of both of the expert are explained you in the detail in the previous videos. So, what are the similarities between the principle of both expert? So, some of the points are there as similarities in the principles of these experts, and some of the points are different in their views, which are already explained to you in video number 9. So first of all, you can see that first similarity is improvement in the managerial condition. As you know that Taylor and Fayol both tried to improve the conditions of management. They has given a number of principles for improving the management conditions or managerial conditions, like they tried to divide the work, division of work. They explained about the division of authority and responsibility clearly, etc. And in this way they tried to make the work of the management easier, and they tried to improve the managerial conditions so that the work of management can perform easily. Second one is human point of view. Taylor and Fayol both see the manage both has uh, their vision were that there is human point in both of their vision, and they see that the labor or human being or the worker is the most important part or factor of the business. The human factor or the human resources are most important, and they treated them as a human point of view. They both of them given the principles of better remuneration. They said that the human being or the worker should pay properly, he should treated with human behavior, etc. So there was a human point of view in the vision of Taylor and Fayol both, or in the principles of Taylor and Fayol both. Third one is management as social science. Both of them said that management as is a social science. They treated the management as a group activity or human activity. So it is the they treated the management as a social science because it is related to getting the things done with others. Other means the social means a persons. So they both of them treated the management as social science, and some of them principles are related to social activities or social science. So the management, they treated management as a social science. Then means the human behavior should be made, or equity should be, and all of the workers should be treated in equal behavior, and discipline is necessary in the activities of business, etc. are related to the social science. So management as social science. Now next one is scientific work and analysis. Both of them has given a stress that the work should be done scientifically. It means the business, they has given the principles of division of work, means work should be divided in proper way or in scientific way. The work should be divided in the worker according to their taste, their liking, their interest, their capacity, etc. They analyzed the different activities of the worker, that how they are working. They has made different type of studies on the workers. So the scientific work and analysis is made by both of them. And some of the scientific Taylor's principles are totally based as on scientific management, but Fayol has also done some of the studies in a scientific way, in a systematic way, just like the scalar chain principle and just like the principles of remuneration, just like the principle of discipline. So both of them stressed the managerial work as a scientific work, and both of them observed the activities of the business or of the management properly. Now next one is stress on objective. Taylor and Fayol's both principles of both are related to the achievement of targets or achievement of objectives. As you know that both of them has given the principle of authority and responsibility. In the same way, the command principle, the principle of direction, etc., are given by them. Or so we can say that the objectives are both of them focused on the objectives, that first of all objective should be determined, and then other principle other work or other activities are done, so that the objectives all of the activities can focus on objectives and objectives can be achieved easily. In the same way, both of them has given stress that main objective should be divided in small objectives, means the main task or main work is divided in small task, and small task should be given to the different type of workers. And in this way, when the main objectives are divided in small objectives or small task, then the worker is allotted each task in according to his interest, according to his capacity. And when every worker does his task separately, then by performing the small task, the big objective or the main objective can be fulfilled or achieved easily. This is the also the similarity between Taylor and Fayol principle. So in this video, you understand about the similarity in Taylor's and Fayol's principles, their improvement in managerial conditions, human point of view, management as a social science, scientific work and analysis, and stress on objectives. Thank you.